We have a particular situation over here. So we have two kids who are running around a particular track. So we have Akshi and Toshi. They start to run along a rectangular track as shown in the figure. Akshi runs along the outer track. So outer track has to do with this guys. So she's running along the outer track. While we have Toshi running along the inner track. So this is your inner track. So on and so forth. Find out who ran the longest distance. So we're approaching this particular question by finding one thing at a time. So we are figuring out how much has Akshi ran with 5 rounds, and then we'll look at Toshi and then compare. So let's do that. So first thing is you need to recognize what structure we are looking at. So it's 4-sided figure, right? And you can see that opposite sides are equal, thus making it a correct rectangle. So first is you have analysis. Akshi ran along the track, okay, so on and so forth. So first we're looking at Akshi. So she's running a rectangle track. Thus the opposite sides are equal. And she ran 70 meters the lengthwise and 40 meters the breadthwise. 70 meters, 40 meters. Now find out the total distance. So how do you figure out the total distance? It is equal to what? Perimeter. That's the whole idea, right? So we'll write total distance. Or first thing is let's find the perimeter, because she ran 5 rounds. So that is the first thing is perimeter. Since she ran 5 rounds, the total distance will be, think about it, perimeter of the track is equal to, yes. Again, there are many ways of calculating this, guys. So I'll tell sum of all sides. Right? Then I'll substitute the values, thus giving us first side say 40, 40 plus 70 plus 40. And so this is 140, 180 meters. And she ran how many? 5 rounds. So total distance will be equal to, yes. How do we find it? She ran 5 rounds. Yes, 5 times the perimeter of track. So this again, we are substituting the values. So this will be 5 times the perimeter, that is 180. And this is how much? 900 meters. So she ran, who is this? Therefore, conclusion, Akshi ran 900 meters. Right, she ran 5 rounds. Yes. Again, let's look at what is a fundamental idea. We need to recognize that this person find out the distance covered by 5 rounds. Okay. Anyways, so first we are doing this. So she's starting at a particular point and she's running 5 rounds. So basically I figure out 1 round of run. How much distance is she covering in 1 round? How did I do that? By finding the perimeter. How do you figure out the perimeter? It's sum of all the sides. So sum of all the sides is 70 plus 40 plus 70 plus 40. Again, there are many ways of finding a perimeter. You can go to any way you want. So for me, this is convenient. And I did 70 plus 70, 140. 40 plus 40, Oh, my bad. This addition is wrong. 140, 140, 180, 220. So this will be, this is 220. And this is 1100 meters. 1100 meters. Yeah. 80, 140. Correct. Yes, now it's right. Okay. So that is your answer.